Welcome back. Today is the day I finally get to learn to drive the excavator. This is a John Deere 35D, so it's a smaller one, but still super exciting. I've already driven it from point A to point B successfully, and it was super fun. And now I've got it set up to move this pile of sand from this side of the road into the hole on that side of the road, which is actually a task that needs doing, so I'll get to practice with the bucket and shovel while doing something useful, so that's always a bonus. I always start off with things that I'm unfamiliar with very slowly, and this will be no exception as it's such a big and powerful machine. So I don't expect to finish today, but I'm hoping to have a better command of the controls by the end of the day, and hopefully eventually get efficient at using it so that we can use it for other forestry work we have planned on the land here. So that being said, it's time to get started, so let's go. Great. It's actually kind of intuitive how the controls work. This model has, you can set the controls up two ways, like an excavator or like a backhoe. And presently it's set up like an excavator, so that means that the elbow and the spinning of the cabin is on the left hand, and the big arm going up and down, as well as emptying and filling the bucket, are on the right hand. I've also got a left foot control for the thumb, but I'm not using the thumb right now for what I'm doing. So I don't know, I don't really have to think about it too much, and kind of just seems to be doing what I want it to do. So far so good. Hopefully it'll keep up that way. Bit noisy in here to talk to you guys while I'm doing this, but I'm gonna try. So far this is really fun. This is like those little like excavator toys in the sandbox when you're a kid, except
way better.
Still a little tricky for me to do more than one thing at a time with it, so I'm still kind of playing with the tools and the controls and seeing what happens. So far I've had a few successful trips around with the bucket full, so I think I'm getting the hang of it. I find it's easier to kind of put the claws straight down, pull in with the elbow, and then when you do that, the whole thing kind of tends to lift up off the ground. So lift the boom to get back down to the ground, keep bringing it closer, and then once the ground is loose, then flip the bucket and have my bucket full to make the trip across the road. So that seems to be working all right. It would be good if I could like bring in the elbow and lift the boom at the same time in a smooth manner, but we're not there yet. So that's cool. This is super fun. I don't know how I mind practicing this. Ooh. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera, but when I pull in the elbow, the whole excavator lifts up, and then when I lift the boom, it goes back down. So I'm not sure if you can see that in the camera, because you're kind of tied to the frame of the thing, so maybe you can. Another decent shovel full. Let's cross the road. The only thing I don't like is spinning, but I get motion sickness pretty easily, so everything else is fine though. Okay, so I super love this thing. It is so much fun. I feel like I'm getting the hang of it now. I'm able to take bigger shovelfuls and be a bit more efficient with using the bull to kind of help pick up some of the larger rocks and move them over to the other side. So definitely awesome. Gonna play with this some more, and hopefully you guys enjoyed checking out the 35D with me, and we'll see you again soon. Take care guys. Bye.